Hello everyone. If you're planning to apply for the course of Diploma in Guidance and Counseling from NCRT, then this video is for you because today I'm going to share the entire written exam format with you. And here I have the question paper with me because I also appeared for this written exam. Once I submitted all my documents and I got shortlisted in the list of 150 students, I got the message and mail that I've been selected for writing the exam. And here I came to Bhopal to write this exam. So here you can see I have the question paper and I'll be reading out that what exactly it will look like for you also, so that there is a lot of confusion regarding this course. And that's why I just want to clear each and every step. And so because when I was appearing for it, I was also very much confused at what they will ask, what type of answer I have to write. So I was a bit confused, but now after so that's why I'm here to help all my friends out there, those who will be appearing for this written exam next time. So here they are basically, you can see the written test is written test in the paper. So here they have the essay type of question. So this is just very important to know that they only give you one question, that is essay type of question, in which you have to write 1200 to 1500 words. This is the max limit that you have to write the situation into. Now they have given the situation in both the languages, in Hindi language also as well as in English. So if you are a Hindi medium student and you're applying for it, तो आप अपना आंसर हिंदी में लिख सकते हैं. But if you're English medium, then you can appear and write your answer for the English medium. So both the mediums are being accepted here, and I am a selected student. So now let's jump back to the question. So what is the situation that they have given to us is that Rohan is a 17-year-old boy studying in class 12 and a national level swimmer. His family, including grandparents, however, are not happy with his performance in academics or sports. They often compare him with his cousins who score high in academics. They believe that more than sports, performing well in academics are essential for a successful life. Due to this, Rohan feels extremely pressurized, and his performance both in studies and swimming is impacted. It has often been noticed that Rohan looks tired, worried, and does not participate in school activities anymore. So this is the activity that they have. This is the situation based that they will be giving to you. Now they're asking two major questions on this. First one is, describe in your words the academic, emotional, and social challenges Rohan is experiencing. So you have to figure out from the situation that what are his particular different domain challenges. And the second question is, like, as a teacher, how would you deal with the issue and concern Rohan is struggling with? So discuss in detail. Now this answer you have to write in much detail, covering all the points that you have seen in the situation. So once you are done with these two, they will be submitting your sheets, and then your evaluation will be done on the basis of the answers that you have written. So it's not that tough. It's not that it's just that sometimes you need to have a good knowledge of all the theories, and so that you can apply being selected for written exams. So the major thing is that, let's say 2000 applications are coming, only 150 to 200 students will get selected to come for the written exam of NCRT into their particular regional center that is being allotted to them. So in my case it was Bhopal, and I came to Bhopal. So the moment I came, I just saw, like, let's say 150 students writing the exams all together. Then after writing the exams, our interview process started. So it was not that you will get the results instantly. They will be releasing out the result list after some time. So you have to appear for the written exam, and then after, at the same time, you have to start appearing for the interview round. So there are various different rooms in which the interview is being taken place. So we were very much hopeful for the selection, because as much knowledge that they're asking, the basic question about your experience, about how you have been willing to pursue this course. So there are many things that will help you to figure out that, okay, how your interview went just by knowing what answers you gave. So I was very hopeful for the situation that, okay, I'll definitely get selected for the exam. So here it's the written part is easy. It's the main thing is the interview thing that you have to clear. So I hope that this video will definitely help you to write the written exam, as they will check the copies, and they will check your knowledge as well as how much you are thorough with your theories of psychology, with your school of thoughts, and many different videos. So share this video with all your friends who are willing to pursue DCGC from NCRT. Okay, thank you.